Without two things, we wouldn't be here. Number one, your questions, comments, and concerns. And the second, Pluto's stain. Way to go, Pluto. We're still talking about it. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Leave me your questions, comments, concerns. Because that's what we're made of. Any and everything down below. Now then. Maybe I should care about subscriptions and things like that. But it's not going to make you watch me anymore. 2.6 Hong Kong. IMC 6. So this is one version of the Indian Chief. If you look at it here, I don't have the Austria version to compare it to. This is the bigger headdress version. But the whole reason we're even doing this video is to let you know... Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Look at that spring. Okay, these things are made of really, really cheap plastic. And this is very common for your headdress to fall. Someone wanted to know, why does my headdress fall on my Indian Chief? Very simple. There are, when we open it up, if I can do it this way, when you look inside, you can see where the headdress is attached. One has to have something attach it to the top of the head. So on the top of the head, there is going to be a peg. But here, it is missing. The peg goes in the hole right there. That little dark mark is actually the peg that has broken off the head of the Indian Chief. Now that's supposed to hold the headdress in place and not cause it to droop over his eyes. Not going to win a battle with a droopy headdress. So there you go. That is why your headdress droops. You have a broken head on your dispenser. This is the Hong Kong version, just garbage plastic again. But a different variation. I will look for a Austria one so I can do a contrast and compare video for everybody so you can see the different variations. So I hope you learned something. So until next time...